gently.
I think you just want it to...
Oh!
Nice, good job.
This isn't helping, it just looks cool.
It does look cool though.
Just until I drop it and everybody's sad. I'm gonna beat the crap out of it.
Take out
That's
your
what I'm
aggression.
doing. I'm like rolling the crap out of it.
It's fun, kind of. I'm getting out some aggression. Urgh. You will be pizza. Can I have a little more flour over here?
Oh yeah.
I'm beating it.
Okay, how do you
hard.
toss?
Whoa, it's pretty good.
That actually works.
I'm doing it sideways.
That doesn't work.
Yours is so good. I can't believe it. You blow my mind.
That really helps it. Stretch, look.
Oh my god.
Fly it.
Look, mine looks like a pair of panties right now.
It totally does.
It looks like a pair of latex panties.
Oh my god, and there's like a line in it too that kind of like looks like the hole where you put your leg.
Yeah, or something else.
It would be awfully saggy though.
Oh, so silly.
That would be uncomfortable. Ew, imagine wearing these.
Is that a wet spot? It's just a little sauce, a little pre-sauce.
Bony sauce. Roll it. It helped.
Oh, hey, I didn't know you had that.
I got it out. Do you guys ever make pizza on your own? Like with the dough? I cheated? No, I didn't. They use a pin. I even twirled. Shut up.
We both twirl.
Whatever.
Doesn't look like a pizza place, do you? No. Shut your little rat bastard mouth. Just kidding. It's not cheating because it's still pizza either way.
Yeah.
It's not like we ordered pizza.
That would have been funny though.
Like if in the middle of this a pizza guy showed up.
You're like, oh shit. Sorry.
Or it looks all like way different than it did when we put it in the oven. It's like a Pizza Hut pizza. We're like, check this out.
Stuffed crust.
You didn't see us do that, but we're just so sly.
I do have a gun. Bang, bang, bang.